Hey everyone, welcome to ISE 2026. You're standing at the AVPro commercial booth right now, and we're really excited to show our product that is going to really define 2026 for AVPro, and that's our USP solution from MXnet. What's beautiful about this solution is that we have 10G SDOV or SDVOE working with 1G simultaneously. You're able to take 1080p signals, 4K signals, and beyond, and match them into one ecosystem. So when you need high quality, high bandwidth video, you have it. When you have other zones in that same installation that needs lower bandwidth video, you have that as well. What we're showing right here is an SDVOE signal versus an H.264 signal happening at the same time, because our new USP products, they simultaneously stream two different types of signals so that we can use this in all sorts of ways. Super high defined picture quality for the big projectors and the conference room TVs, but then for the wall panels and the touch panels, we can have a different signal. Also, as you can see, hi, I'm on TV, because I have a camera plugged directly in, not into an encoder, not into a decoder, directly into a network switch, and it's able to still be a part of our MXnet ecosystem. So with MXnet USP, you have a lot to offer, and we're really excited to show it this year. Let's go on down the line a little bit more to see more. Come on. To go beyond what we're doing right now with USP, is we also are showing how easy and fast our control with USP and multi-view is. So right now I have a customized control panel right here that I'm able to utilize and switch in an instant from 4 sources to 3 sources to 2 sources, and it happens very, very quickly that you don't have any problems with it. And you can also even go a picture-in-picture mode, so you can overlay sources on other ones. Now with USP, multi-view is cool, but you can also do video walls as big as you want. The proof is in our customization that is around USP, and that you as an integrator are able to utilize to develop your customized products. As I keep walking around the booth though, remember AVPro is not just AVPro Edge these days. We're AVPro Edge, we're RTI, we're audio control, we're bullet train, because what AVPro is audio, video, and control all under one house. But it all started with testing. So what are we showing here? Our new Stix handheld testing devices that do 48 gigabit per second, full HDMI 2.1 testing in the palm of your hand. The newest versions can now work with a cable. So if you were used to our old Stix that came out last year, now you have some versions that you can test cables with along with other devices. Meridio is where we got our start as a company, and it's allowed us to build on that engineering base of scientifically accurate HDMI signals to deliver those signals throughout wide distribution systems. Let's now keep on walking this way. We get to walk right by our RTI booth where we're showing all of these amazing ways that you can go beyond classic control by building your own system, showing different layouts and different applications that fit perfectly for boardrooms, conference rooms. You have templates that you can use to be able to deploy control systems very quickly. And the beauty about RTI is you're actually able to be trained on this control system extremely quick, and it works with all AVPro products. So as we wrap around the corner here to follow up with Confrex, this RTI can use. RTI uses, our Confrex uses RTI control, MXnet uses RTI control. Everything that we have in this booth is controlled through RTI, except for our conference room solutions that do not need a control system at all. We are talking single cable solutions. So with this single cable, I'm able to connect my laptop device via a single USB cable to this wall plate, and now I'm able to be connected to the camera. Hi camera. I'm able to share my screen. As you can see, I can move all around here, and then share my meeting. This is the best way in 2026 to deploy a single room conferencing huddle space that is not tied into a greater video distribution system. It's simple, it's easy, and it's stable. And we come with a 10-year warranty at AVPro Edge. So I hope you like what you saw here at ISE. If you have a chance, get on down to Hall 5. We're right in the front row. We want to see you. But if you don't get a chance to come to Barcelona, I hope this gave you a little bit of insight on these great solutions that we're showing through AVPro in 2026.